Exesha puzethi bafethu rikopani hape rikaofela. It's a Wednesday ngulesithathu ki laboraro. If you are watching this, you have found yourself a new home. Haona maya udimo le tlase ufikela bubhale khona mfana omdala. It's the Cool People podcast. Even putigama. It's a Cool People podcast. Thank you so much for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. Simnandi rikaofela. We are here. Uhleli nenqina lakho lenqoqonqoqo yechap khotso le Prince K isikhoko senjabulo udedi wezaza neculture. And if you're watching the previous episode, I'm sure you already know by now into yokubana ndihlelanga ndedwa. I'm with my co-pilot.
Let's go.
Co-pilot.
Let's go. The one and only.
I'm hanging with the I'll be holding it down, keeping it cool with the beautiful.
Yo, what's happening, cool people? It's Yonga Maka on your screens. It's good to see you. Welcome back, everybody. Let's hope that everybody who joined us last week commented, liked, and subscribed because we need you guys. We need you guys to get us to 1K subscribers. Please, like I said, shock us. Can you surprise the guys?
No,
Leave me 1.5.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Mara, they are getting there, Shem.
Yeah,
Shem. At least they are new
bayazama,
subscribers.
bayazama.
Welcome. Like I said, you have found yourself a new home.
Yeah.
Akusekukujika ngoku silapha. Cool People podcast. It aims to introduce you guys to some of the cool people doing cool things out there. Yeah, also asiyenzela ithina, asiyenzela abanye abantu.
Yeah.
So show love, man. Unjani otherwise?
I'm doing good. I'm doing
Yes.
good. How's your week been?
Yeah, it's been great, man. Namhlanje
What's up?
ndidiniwe, man, you know.
Awukwazi
really tired.
ukudinwa.
Awuzawuzama, push.
Awukwazi
Andikwazi. People are
ukudinwa.
expecting the energy.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
push. I had to wake up early, so lulala. That's the reason.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I had to wake up early namhlanje. Ndiye kwi-farewell out here. He's going to work in England. Yeah,
Shout
so,
out. Well done to him.
Yeah. At least push poison. So I was there showing love. You know, I had to do the whole speech.
Oh.
Yeah, but I even had to lie and say ngizamkhumbula nxa engekho.
But uzomkhumbula manje.
Suka makahambe. That's my boy. That's my boy.
Yeah,
Right there. That's my boy.
yeah.
Right there. I had to show love. Speaking of love, yazi intoni endiyenzileyo ngoba ndisokola ubuthongo.
Yeah, what's up?
I watched the coolest podcast in Cape Town. Can you guess which one it is?
Oh, E1. E1.
Go on.
I don't even need to mention bias. It's in the name. It's in the sentence that you just
Go ndibukeleyo. I
Yeah.
went through comments and guess what I realized?
what?
People love you, my dog.
I'm not a choice. What do you mean? Why?
People love you, my dog.
You loved me the first day. You made
People
me-
love you, my dog. And I honestly didn't have it out, because it's a perfect combination. Young,
Yeah.
old.
You
understand?
see?
Beauty, I'm the beast.
Yeah, man. Even Lula,
so
like,
it was a proper
Duh.
combination. Ngobe ndicinga, but to
Yeah.
see it like working in it was beautiful to see, man.
Lovely.
For your first episode, you did well, my friend.
Thank you so
You
much.
did well, and
Thank you
I
so
love
much.
that there were moments where it didn't feel like, I was watching us. There
Yes.
were moments where I felt like I'm smiling the whole time.
I was
you know?
also smiling the whole time because
Yeah.
down my name is repeated. Oh, that is so hilarious.
So
That
it
is so
was
hilarious.
really fun to watch.
Yeah, it was really
people
good.
showed love, good comments.
They
siyabulela.
did, shame.
Yeah, man. Speaking of love,
Yes.
siqala ke ngoku kwezothando. Do you think in 2026 love is enough?
Zange love ya enough.
Ayonto yalo nyaka.
Zange khayiqalisa love by enough iyodwa ihamba yodwa. Khange iqalise. No ways.
Yeah.
No,
Because
no.
I also listen. I also don't understand into yokubana sidibana emfuleni, bro.
Okay.
You understand? But xa kufuneka sazane, sazane Kempsby. Funeka Kempsby over a glass of wine. Ukhona umnqambulo kasikhulu. Sohlala kasikhulu ufondini siphekuza impukane sihlale phasi bemnandi sithi umnqambulo. You don't agree? Funeka ngikhuphe imali.
That only happens when you're ready. Xa sigqithile
Xa
phaya ke.
sidlulile,
Yeah. Then
yoba.
xa comfortable.
Oh.
Akho ngxaki masabe siyotya umnqambulo. There's nothing wrong.
Yeah.
But let's start there.
Yes.
Let's see. Can we get there?
Yeah.
Because if we can't, see happy. What are we doing?
Is it?
You show me I'm gonna look. Those are things I do with my friends.
Yeah,
because I
easy.
know about when we're struggling, that's where we're going. But I must know who you are. How up. You get?
I get you.
Yes,
I get you.
yes,
so
yes.
so dating nowadays, it's not just about love. The lifestyle is quite important.
Very important.
Yeah.
You guys have to align.
Facts.
You get? It needs to make sense. Okay, is it that? Do you think it's Landioba? We'll get to know each other and then maybe we align. Align.
Yeah, I think from the jump. I think from the jump, we need to, have make sure that our finances, habits, goals, nazo ziyalign from the jump. It's a perfect balance. Kuzo zoyi-two, they are equally important. Uyabo, into yokubana, okay, sijole mojo for the love, but ne lifestyle si push.
Yes,
Yabo.
together.
The
Girls,
lifestyle si push.
together, not one way.
Ribe mnandi.
It must-
Obviously, it's nice into yokubana we keep it simple. Siyohlala kaSikhulu, or small
Yeah.
restaurants and everything, but that's also part of your lifestyle.
Yeah.
But as a guy in 2026, I think we can all agree you have no business ungena kwinto zomjolo,
Ungena mali.
usinasinoko-noko.
Yes.
You understand?
Please.
Zama sinoko-noko, my friend. Otherwise there will be ifears okhomita nxa ungakho grand and ne-confidence izawuleka.
Yeah.
Yabo, uzawuba yile soloko ngoku
True.
i-jealous xa imate yakhe izivayela yodwa neetshomi zayo, because
Yeah.
she feels more mhlambe comfortable doing that, angafuni ukusokolisa.
Yes.
Yabo,
Yes.
into ezinjalo. Mara yeah, man,
Yeah, agreed, Shem.
life is a beautiful thing. I think people concept yothando is still there. Abanye abantu bayayithanda, but we can't run away from the fact that
I am beyond what
Ayi,
guys love.
xolisi
Love is a beautiful thing, but like iyancedisa. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
It can't just be, oh, I love you, and then what? I love you, and then what? I love you too, but show me, okay? Because words, everybody can say it. Even a stranger can say, but oh, I love you so much.
yeah.
But how do you prove that you love me?
yeah.
I'm not saying you can only prove it with money. No, that's not what I'm saying. But like money
Plays a
plays a big role.
yeah,
Yes,
plays a
yes,
pivotal
yes,
role.
yes. Absolutely.
Do
Absolutely.
you think glad yothando, do you think zawujumpa kancinci a few steps, do you think asenijola ke ngoku, and then do you think talking to people, abanye abantu, other guys, while you are in a relationship is considered as cheating? Should it
Yes.
fall under
Ewe.
Eh?
Ewe.
Nzima,
What do you, why Ikshoka? If Seni established you guys are exclusive,
Yeah.
why are you talking to other people? It's a different story if then you haven't established that you guys are not exclusive.
Okay.
Yeah, then that's a different chat. Then maybe we can start another conversation because nothing is official yet.
yeah,
But if we both agreed that exclusive, what
No,
is
this-
what?
this Khuzisa nje, no, I completely agree.
Okay.
Man. I completely
Okay.
agree.
Hey.
Because there's this thing, man. Kuthiwa yintoni na? Emotional intimacy. When you are going to share ideas with a guy, and then this guy
Yeah.
dedicates ixesha lakhe
Okay.
to like making your woman. I mean, dedicates ixesha lakhe to making life where we made yakho to be easy.
Okay.
And I think that also, because ni share bond.
Yes.
Ni
Yes.
emotionally connected. You understand? He's trying to make your life easy. Ni share personal stuff, things that you can share with me, but you understand, you choose to share. Because I think
got
it
you.
really should be
It
considered.
should also to highlight what you were saying is that like to make your partner's lives easier. I think that goes both ways. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
like
obviously.
yes, it goes both ways. It can't only rely on one person. It like if you're lightening the load on my side, I need to find a way to lighten the load on your side to make you making my life easier for you. Do you get? Also Nalandioba, you do it because not Landioba, you expect something back, but like because you want to.
Yeah.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is
because
your boo.
yes.
And it also sets a boundaries, and it also creates a way yobana. It puts you at ease knowing dogbana, okay, this person cares about me, and again it gives you la assurity yoba at least I'll push it.
Yeah.
Ngekwazi umcingela unlike into yokubana, because for us I don't want to lie, for us amajita is tough, man.
Why?
Whether we go out on a fancy restaurant, I need to be warm as in snowgano.
Yeah.
Whether we keep it simple indoors watching movie, I also have to make sure into yokubana ifridge abigcwele.
Yeah.
Because kuzawuziwa kum. Uyabo? So
Yes.
yeah, so weight is akakhulu ukuthi, so it's very very important into yokubana ufumane umuntu at least uzakuthulela umthwalo, yabo, even though ke nowadays abanye abantu abafuna uyiva loo nto leyo,
Yeah.
yabo, but a man must, indoda must.
And you must. You must.
Yathi awuzazi baby.
You must. No, you must. Please.
Ikhona into sibuve kwezothanda, ikhona into engathi trend ngoku.
Which is?
I feel like for broadcasters, you know, our freedom of speech is slowly being taken away from us. It's something ekufuna sifake under carpet, sinyathele singayihoyi. We are being sued for izinto esizithethayo. Obviously, sisonke sine responsibility oba siyenze research yethu.
Yes.
You know, and not speak ill of other people, because that can be, you know, suicidal careers abanye abantu. Uyabo? But there's a trend whereby, you know, people are just being sued left, right, and center. The recent one is Unota, no Shimza.
No Shimza. Yeah, I saw that.
The whole thing. Unota sake ipathe imali. But yeah.
It was a lot of money.
A lot of money.
640,000 rands.
It was a lot of money. So for those who don't know, Shimza sued Unota. I think last year,
yes,
not last year, but Nota has been talking about Ushimza for the longest time in Dogbana, like he benefits from, you know,
other people,
people in politics.
Yeah.
And he's corrupt and everything. Yeah, he's been saying that. So Ushimza was like, okay, I've had enough of this nigga. Let me take him to court. So the Johannesburg High Court ruled in favor of Ushimza. They were like, Nota, you have to pay, because they felt like he comments zakhe, allegations zakhe were reckless.
Okay.
So charge 200K. It amounted to 600 and something, because now ufumane guilty, you have to upatale le legal team and the higher to,
yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, got you.
Nota had to pay ezamali Ushimza sebenzile to get a legal team. So that's how it amounted to lamali.
Yeah.
They use a term which I found interesting. Because apparently Nota wasokolisa at some point we Cooper.
Oh.
So they went to his house. There was nothing pana in ala value.
Okay.
Yeah, and then bafaka minus ke ku account yakhe, but he garnishing.
Oh, I didn't know that. Garnishing.
But he garnishing maybe.
Okay.
Like, okay. But was no startel, you know.
Yeah,
so,
I guess if the court allows, then.
If it made me appreciate le garnish si fumana ku plate zethu kuma restaurant. So do you think it was fair? Bro, that
listen, before we get to the fairness part, freedom of speech is a basic human right.
Facts.
You know what I mean? Freedom of speech protects you from government censorship, right? Freedom of speech does not protect you from consequences from what you say. You get what I mean? Like, if you're going to stand for what you say, you must also stand for the consequences that come with what you've said. You get? So, yeah, it's a matter of, Tatinina, if I say something, I need to be able to back it up financially as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because people will sue you. And also, Landioba, what's his name? Unota kept on being on Shimza's neck.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets tiring. Yes, uzothetha, go and ndizakiyeka. Nam ndingumntu ndizodikwa. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So the consequences were he had to cough up the money.
A lot of money.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yes, what you call this? freedom of speech. Everyone has the right to it.
Yeah.
But like I said, it doesn't protect you
What's
from
interesting, I
consequences.
so wish we can call someone mhlawumbe or a lawyer odila nezi cases inje, because kukhona le ka Lebu M. I'm not sure if you
What
know
happened?
Lebu M. He composed ingoma the Lion King soundtrack.
Oh, yes.
So
yes.
apparently there's a comedian that he also sued for.
Oh.
I'm not sure if I can say making a mockery of the song, but the guy was asked in an interview in Dogbana, what does the song mean, Le Lion King? And the guy was like, the song means, here is a lion. Oh, a lion.
Yeah,
You
behold.
understand? Yeah, behold a lion. So I think what offended Ubabu M is Lebu M is that Umchita uye wathi I understand why people are making a big deal out of the song, because it's just a simple song lyrically. You understand? So I'm interested in Dogbana. How is that going to go about? You understand? Is he
But-
suing Umchita rightfully or kanye?
But he asked an honest question. I
Yeah,
can
I
understand.
mean, it's the same thing of saying ingoma kabanibani weak. Yeah, even
If I understand, I
if I
understand.
feel and he feel, you understand?
Yeah, it is what it is. And
Apparently
it's okay.
Umchita ngwala pe Africa mara he's trying to make it big. He's a comedian that's trying to make it big. Or can't.
Oh, when I'm landing, guy.
Says away ingathi ngoku singabantu abamnyama, with the moment we get a little bit of stardom sicinezela abanye ngoku.
Yeah.
So he's also been taken to court. Umchita lo, I just forgot his name.
Yeah,
He's a comedian.
And another thing that I noticed about taking people to court, you need to have the finances.
Yeah.
You
No,
need-
definitely. Because
Yeah.
even to submit what do they
case.
call this? Submit a
The
lawsuit,
yeah.
there's a fee that you have to pay to submit a lawsuit. A lawsuit is whereby you explain why you feel like this action needs to be taken against loan.
Okay.
Yeah, well, you explain your details, like it damages if you are a singer, like you lost gigs, all of that.
Okay.
So to submit all those reasons, there needs to be a fee that you pay.
Okay.
Yeah, so hey, izinto
Yeah.
they are getting tricky, we're being sued left and right and center, but it boils down to your responsibility now as umntu who's behind the mic.
Take accountability for what you say.
Yeah.
Because Galogo suing people, I understand why people sue people, because especially if it affects my bag, you can't defame me.
Yeah.
If what you say is gonna mess with Imaliam, let's take it to court.
Let's take it there.
And again, I think you're right, Landio, but you must pay for my lawyer because I used money. If you didn't say this, I didn't have to use Imali to pay for a lawyer. You get what I mean? Yeah, so it's a good thing, but be careful.
Yeah,
Be careful.
bayidlile imali kaNotha bayidlile. Speaking of udliwa, dliwe bafana iPanama.
Oh, DHL.
So sithengile iskipa.
It's for
Kantheni iskipa mantombazana, hayibo kantheni iskipa
Hayibo,
zebhola
guys.
bafuthu, hayibo.
planting flowers.
Ko Valentine's anniversary, birthday.
There's people who
guys,
there's
come
people
on.
back buy flowers ziyathengwa.
No. Usayibona if iskipa zebhola. And what you guys don't understand is that xa uthengela indoda yakho iskipa, more especially if indoda yakho ifavor iKaizer Chiefs, uyayiphumza kulanduku. Landu yohlekwa kokoko because iskipa seChiefs ngoku seyinto yohlekisa. Wiki man. Yes, then wiki man. So come phumze. At least induku yabafana ayikho nkulu njenge le iqhuma pha
Kaizer
yena. You understand? Come zame.
Wow.
Yeah,
We'll
well-
think about it. Girls, let's must be a women's conference to decide ba siyathengela na ezizkipa or not. You know? Yeah, let's see.
Quickly man, because World Cup says awuqala is around the corner.
Guys.
Yeah, isidlile Panama. I think they are a great team. Benichile kula episode yokuqala. But they are very good. They are strong. I think they won both legs. If I can be quite honest with you,
Okay.
because our nose are on our home turf, and then Croatia nathi. That's a lose good thina abantu home. And then on the second leg we are pinned as Qhekeza still. Yeah, so they will leave. They left South Africa with their tails up high, very confident.
Okay.
With an extra spring on their step. Tina, I think it's a reflection good into Okubana.
Relax.
Masnga relax, and in South Africa, I feel like they more comfortable with keeping the ball, thinking into Okubana they will tire opposition. And
Yeah.
with teams as Europe, fitness into by prioritizer. Those guys are really fit. That's why a lot of our players up in South Africa, they don't make it in Europe because fitness harina konka la. Okay, understand? Pop up body. Kuyadlalwa pha ibhola. You understand?
They
So
prioritize
if fitness, if
yeah.
sizogcina uba sizawugijima ngogcina ibhola cha, then sisazawuluza. You get what I
Asikawubamba
mean?
umcimbi.
Yeah, position without progress or penetration, iyabhora.
Yeah.
I watched the game Bafana. It's nice on the eyes, but unfortunately, udlala fancy, akuzuswinisa. And Panama has proven that
Okay.
on both legs. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Coach wam, simbonile uMbokazi uyakwazi ukhaba Hugo Bruce ngizasoloko ngithetha nawe noba yimamelaka noba usive isixhosa
Oh, sana
Mbokazi
coach.
uyakwazi ukhaba. I'm sure abantu abayibukela ibhola they will understand. Mbokazi uyakwazi ukhaba, Mbokazi is strong, Mbokazi is quick. I'll try and be quick. Nami kulena nzika yebhola. Mbokazi is quick. I think Mbokazi needs to be converted at least abe phambili holding midfielder okanye abe senhloko striker. Ungamqalisa as a defender but nxa if ever more especially nxa siwina xa umkhupha Mbokazi ufaka i-defender ezawudlala kula ndawo ibidlala uMbokazi which is at the back and then yena umphushele phambili so that azokwazi umarka and then ayojudisa pha phambili. Unenyawo elihle, left foot egrand, he's quick, uyakwazi umarka, uyakwazi uheader, uyakwazi usixuthela ibhola. Mfaka phambili uMbokazi uyascora simple. Understand?
Coach.
I understand why asinayo enye solution. Coach Satela nawo asinayo enye solution.
I hope
If
ucoach
akazumbiza
umamele.
uReynasi at least my consideration Mbokazi amse phambili.
Yeah.
As a Chiefs ke eyona players and players the Chiefs anzuyithethe kubipha noba zibizwa ngesquadini. Ziweak.
Oh, masihlale phansi.
Yes, weak yonga, is weak isifana nale hairline yami, is weak. Is weak kodlula irent ngayithelekiswa
Not your
neDollar.
hairline
Is
catching
weak.
strays. Ngenxa ye-Chiefs.
Yeah. Is weak ngathi ngokakuplan uba iveki izawubizwa ntoni ngeEnglish kathiwa iweek kacingwa zona is weak. You understand? Is weak ngathi le project kaBase no droppers weak.
Yeah. Everybody's catching smoke and now you're just Chiefs, guys.
Base, I love you, Banika. No, ndiyadlala.
Is he though? Is he
Ithini record
though?
label yakhe kanene dilibele. They did a great job. He just dropped a mixtape, you remember? Okay,
Yes,
let me do a quick review.
Recap.
Review
Okay.
of his project.
Last week, yeah, a recap.
Base is one of the people that dropped. Honestly, this is my honest opinion. Yeah, Geleana, it's a marketing strategy. I want people to go listen
Clickbait.
to his. No. I want people to go listen to his project.
Oh.
You understand? Honestly, what he dropped, we appreciate it. Great project. But I feel like andimamele ayiyo i-project whereby ezamtsalela i-audience entsha.
Okay.
You understand? It kind of gives as a vibes zoba it's a project before the main project.
So it's kind
You
of
know
like if you
how-
were to introduce me to it, it's not something like,
yes.
siyamthanda
Yes.
Nxele.
You
Okay.
know how you drop a mixtape or your EP before an album? I kind of
Yes.
felt like this is, it doesn't give me la way over album.
Okay, it's not his
10
best
songs,
work.
decent. Huh?
You don't think it's his best work?
Yeah, I think that's the reason why naye not really his best work. I understand what he's doing because naye ngathi uyichazile ngobe iposter la nansi kuba ngobe announcer la kebuleli supporters because reach numbers as a grand yabo.
Okay.
But he felt uncomfortable dropping it because it kind of exposes the audience to a different side of him.
Okay.
Yabo. I guess low side of him athetha ngayo it's the soft side. You understand? Because if you listen to songs like 4:30,
Okay.
melodic Afro beats, very nice. Yabo. And then there are your typical bass type of songs.
I see. It's
Trepayo.
Landiba, when you have to introduce something new and different, you're not sure if it's gonna
People
land
are
well.
going to receive
Yeah,
it
I
well.
got you.
Yabo. So I think that's what he was trying to do. Zikhona kodwa ingoma abantu abamaziyo ngazo onansika leya featureisha kuyo Boot Legend. I just forgot the title.
Okay.
Yabo. But it's a beautiful project. He did well.
You're
The
still
young
encouraging
fella.
people to go listen to
Yeah,
it.
go listen
Yes.
to it. But I don't think it's amtsalela like
New
a new
people.
You understand? Whoever who's already fucking with him will definitely love it.
Yeah,
No doubt. But if ever you are new to the boy, it might not be for you.
Maybe prove Prince wrong.
Who the listeners? Kaloki yena you already dropped.
Yeah, but like people might
It's
shock
too
you.
late to change for Rihanna. He's already dropped.
Okay, I hear you.
So yeah, man. Ngomphonye besithi nga Uzmowa
Yes.
also dropped nice project na album. I don't know why it's available only on YouTube. Uzmowa needs to explain. It's only available on YouTube.
The only streaming platform.
Yeah, he said it's going to drop nakwezinye, but I mean it's been how long
hasn't.
now? Yeah, I mean
It's taking too long.
it's not so long ago jongile, but it's still available only on YouTube. Otherwise, it's calling on Ms. Mamelekayo. Uzmowa is your typical Kasi rapper.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, very, very underground. Spaza back in the days in terms of how graphic they are when it comes to explaining the characters.
Yes,
He's
yes.
that type of a nigga. If you are sensitive to indoors violence and everything, you might not like him.
it.
More especially
Yeah.
being Gomez Fana no Ankile. There's a song
Okay.
called Ankile there,
Okay.
where he tells people how he, basically killed the guy that killed umalume wakhe.
he goes very graphic with it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Oh.
not saying that's what the song
Yeah,
is.
but like
Type of vibes, yeah,
the
type of
intensity
vibes.
of his vibe.
ikla level yabo. So yeah, na utropile umzekelo womgqibi is the title. Uthi nxa explain ke umgqibi is someone who finishes. So akayiqali yena into angayigqibi. So ungumzekelo walonto yomuntu ogqibayo.
Okay.
Yabo. So
Okay,
that is Zmowa.
Next.
Do you think beef ibalekile in 2026? Is it still something that people
Yes.
really?
Abantu bayathanda drama.
Ne?
Beef sells. It draws attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely think it's necessary, especially in the entertainment industry. It keeps people on on their toes. You get what I mean? It's also like abantu ababukela reality TV. You get what I mean? If there's no drama, sibukelele ntoni?
Yeah.
If there's no beef, why are we listening to like prove to your fans by hey, I'm better than this one. Like not even tethelele. Yabo? So I think it's as long as it's healthy. Sometimes it's not healthy. So yeah, it goes too far.
Yeah,
Yeah.
when ngasekuthukwana
Yeah,
nabazali ke
yeah,
noma AK no Casper yafikelela kulo point.
Yo, it goes too far.
Thukwana
It
nabazali.
goes too far. But like, I definitely think it's necessary, or rather like it keeps people interested. Yeah, like why should I stay being your fan, your supporter? Yeah, I think it's healthy, like especially if it's kept like respectful and stuff like that. It's fun.
About music. And
It's
facts.
about music, yes, and also I think as an artist, it pushes you to like do better and want to do better and get better as well. Yeah, that's what I feel.
No, I completely agree.
Yeah.
Mara for dienbamba mazinyo man, especially when it's South African hip hop artists who are beefing. Like I said,
Why?
we know it did well for Casper and AK. But I feel like hip hop man, struggling for people to be fighting.
But what if that's all they know?
That's my opinion. No, it can't be all they know.
Kaloku-
Piano is dominating, and those guys are a movement. They are a
Kaloku
union.
piano yalapha.
Ne? That's more reason to at least try and push, because into yokubana abantu base South Africa, they don't really fuck with le genre. Now nxa bezawuva into yokubana sivana sithukani, and some of the songs ze beef ayizongoma zimnandi, ayizohits zezethu ingoma ze beef hip hop heads, because kuchi punchlines phana kuthini.
Yeah, but
You're
kaloku
normal South African.
they're getting the blueprint from outside. Like your Americans, your who's this? J. Cole and
Kendrick
and all of that. That's what they do. If the goat or where it originates from, that's what they're doing.
So
then
they must copy.
I'm not saying they must. I'm trying to understand why there's beef. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't blame them for having beef because.
It's fun for the games. It's fun to watch.
So when are you saying they shouldn't have beef as South
the
Africans?
situation, I mean, some of them are not doing well as South African rappers. I think rappers in South Africa, ndingabala phele kwesandla endizibonayo zi-successful.
Okay.
Proper. You understand? Kula level your care.
So you think they should be working together
They should
first?
be working together first, man. It was well, okay, sure. Obviously, when someone steps on my toes, I need to prove to my fans, hey, guys,
Steps on your toes.
you are
Why nganxiba ngazihlangu? Sorry. I'm sorry.
why little pack?
Why nganxiba ngazihlangu?
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. Yeah.
So yeah, the reason why I decided beef is that we saw Blakey coming out and chopping Lucas Reps' head.
Let distract yakhe.
Get distract yakhe
Yeah.
ukhama.
Yes.
No, what dropa ne visuals for ni.
I haven't seen the visuals.
Ufuna kwaziwe into yokubana we are cooking. Uyabo. So hey, we before it's weird, man. I think it started when Blakey started to, pop.
They were friends first.
They were friends first.
Yeah.
Blakey was called by Lucas Reps, invited by Lucas Reps ne team yakhe. Because Lucas Reps nguye wa catch emotion before Blakey.
Yes.
Yabo, so
yes.
wabiza Blakey. We've now found out ngale distract ka Blakey ukama that Blakey was called just to assist Lucas Reps with writing.
Yeah.
Yabo. Apparently he had a stack of of ingoma ezintswempu Blakey.
Okay.
So they trusted ipen yakhe. So bambiza on board ibizwa M4, which is a managing company.
Yeah.
That managed Lucas Reps. So they started working together. They did a lot of songs together. Lucas Reps and Blakey.
Yeah. They
They
did.
plopped. Mara, a lot of love was thrown towards
Blakey.
direction. Yeah, well, he was compared to NSTC. I remember at some point, but this guy is coming for NSTC's
Yeah.
head. This guy is coming for NSTC's position. You understand?
Yeah.
So, a lot of love was thrown towards Blakey.
Blakey.
And then I think that's where, again,
The
this
beef
whole
started,
thing
like-
started. Yeah,
I get
jealousy,
why it
envy,
started, yeah.
up to a point where Lucas Reps decided to leave M4 and
The
join
management. Another one.
Def Jam. Uyabo. And then shortly after Blakey kangayeka drop album yakhe inala ngoma David.
Yes.
David.
David.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Le artwork yakhe. Yeah. So what drop la project, it did well. He featured a lot of dope like hip hop artists.
People,
Nasty C was
yeah.
there. Yeah, well,
Wasn't Ricky there? No?
I'm not sure.
No. Okay.
We're gonna have asina fact check. Hey, khani
But-
sikhuliseni.
Sponsors.
Batla chelete, khani
Please. It's
sikhuliseni.
like catchphrase, Cappy.
Cappy. Keeping it cool all the time. No Cappy.
With cool people. Yeah. They must sponsor us.
They must show us love.
Yes.
So yeah, man, the beef escalated. They were throwing jabs for the longest time at each
Yeah.
other. I remember Lucas Reps asked the feature ku Blakey at some point. Kaye, what to Blakey? My nigga, I'll think about it. So he's been thinking about it up until today.
Yeah.
Blakey wa addressa londo leyo ku ingoma yenze no Sonwabile.
Yeah,
Big
cool.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Like say you think you're the nicest, ego yako got in the way, whatever. So now 2026, Blake is explaining everything to the people.
But how
Did you listen to the song?
the diss track? A bit.
No.
And he went hard though.
Fire, he went hard.
He went hard, though.
I mean, look, this song a lock drum. You should
I was
know
getting there. People were saying
You are in trouble.
that, yay, if he's doing this disc, drum, oh, it's late for you.
And
It's late.
Blake was so versatile.
It's late.
Angaqhubekeka, even if Lucas replies, which is what a lot of hip hop heads would like to see happening. If Lucas Reps reply, Blake can go on. Better, be serious. He flows beautifully there.
It
Iyam
comes
allow
naturally to him.
kaloku,
Yeah.
remember yena he's ebekwa nalento piano flex malu Blake.
He's very flexible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
I think that's why
very
also
creative.
like his fan base is quite broad because flexible. He fits anywhere.
Yeah.
Literally. Yeah, he's fun, man. Like, yeah.
So hey, I just hope it continues so we can be entertained. Lucas Reps, the ball is in your court, my brother. Press the red button and unleash the
Do you have
beast
faith in
in
him?
you. He's good. I mean, he's one of, I think he's been underrated too long. Bonela we naye ezwe zakhe so move from this. So akanayo lanto stable. Yabo, from moving
He
from
doesn't have a
label to
niche.
label. Yeah.
Okay.
Yabo. Otherwise, if you are a hip hop fan, you will understand him. You will love a lot of his songs. Yabo. Akakafumani la hit.
Because I was about to say
Yeah,
what
no,
what's
akakayifumani, Shem.
because I don't know.
Akayifumani. Waphela kula big time slapper lo wayemenza no play.
Play.
Gela
You see,
xesha.
you see, yeah,
So
no,
he still has a lot of ground to cover. Mara, yeah, he can give Upleki, a run for his money.
he has a lot of work to do though. A lot of work to do. He needs to catch up.
No, Magaspan.
He needs to catch up. You see, that's what I was saying. Like, beef sometimes motivates you as an artist to like actually do better and want to be better. So that prove to me, why must I be your fan? You get
It polishes your writing
yeah,
skills,
it does.
man.
Like, remind people why they love you. Yeah, well, yeah, I definitely think that.
Akomntu ubhifana naye wena currently.
Mna? Ubhifana? Oh, ngabe ubhifa yedwa shem. Oh, me. Oh, I'm a lady. I don't do those things. Joking.
Jolad.
Una beef wena?
Nah, ndikrand.
Yeah.
Ndikrand. Bhifana lo ungasifunela isponsor qha. Ngicabukise.
Please, Betuna. Actually, Unyanselu Prince, we do have beefs with y'all, especially those who are watching without liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing. I said last week, tell a friend to tell a friend so that nani nonke sonke sibe cool.
Amara, they showed love. They showed
They
love.
did, Shem. They really did. But tell subscribe
bangasubscribe,
babukela nje benzani and then banga
Baxelele ngubani oye wathi uyayithanda energy yakho.
guys.
Simnike moment yakhe.
Guys, if the queen of culture herself says, I have great energy, who are you? Please.
Who's the queen? Don't hold us.
Diko, Gubanovia, Kwaila. You know what I mean? So if Dikola says that she loves my energy, right? Who are you? Like I said, like, it's so easy.
Yeah,
like, honey, guys, love us down.
Nah, we
show
appreciate.
us love.
We appreciate.
We're nice.
Everyone is special. Obviously,
We're
we give
cool
you flowers.
people here.
It won't be. It won't only be
Yes.
equal. Simnike flowers. Everyone says Simnike
Yeah.
flowers. If ever you are showing us love, we
But
have no
kaloku
choice
kufuneka
but to
senze
return.
example.
Yeah.
Yeah. Senze example bayazi ba sithandwa ngabantu abakhulu.
Mm.
Yeah.
Anything else cool besides Louis engqondweni yakho?
Yes, niyayazi like girl ka yemighty. Christ Chela, guys. Can't wait. Christ weekend enkulu lesiya kuyo. I understand.
kanene.
Tomorrow I'll be rubbing shoulders with Benjamin Dube.
Yes.
Interview him.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Umxele ngathi.
Absolutely. So and said, hey, I can't wait. Kaya Mthethwa.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona.
Saturday, rubbing the shoulders with him also.
Let's go.
So I'm very excited for this weekend, Shem. Like, can't wait. Yes, Bazalwane are up. Bazalwane is up.
Ngizabe ngisenze CC.
Uchuma ba?
Shaye ezinye izwenye. No, ndiyadlala. Even though I still have to prove to some people uri akihloki star, I'm a star already.
Yes, you are cool.
I'm cool already.
We
But
give you
yeah,
your
yeah,
gold
yeah.
star. Yes.
I know
Anything
that-
cool on your mind?
Yeah. Amajoni alendile with their big guns.
Oh?
Yeah, kwiindawo ezine-gangsters ezininzi e-Western Cape. We appreciate. Ningajolini amajoni sive kuthiwa kuphuma amaquza ne-uniform kwihoki kaNatasha. It's a belief. Respect those people. Bazaniqhwaba. They are here for a year. They are deployed for a year.
Not Natasha catching strays. Even Natasha, sorry, love you, Natasha.
They are here for a year trying to keep us safe. Let's respect them. If banxaniwe next to iyard yakho, khuphe le bottle freeze ngamanzi ubanike. Show them respect. The guys in uniform ekugqibeleni.
Yes.
So yeah,
Betuna, we
hopefully
need
it gets
those people.
extended because I know if ever unyaka uphelile then kuzawuthi cwaka mos ngoku amajita azawuthi cwaka ngoku. But
Akuthanga cwaka e-Eastern Cape, Betuna. There's a war happening there. Nigerians Is it Nigerians, Zimbabweans?
Yeah.
Hey, it's my hometown in the East London. But I'm the king.
Where do they want us to go now?
Ay, bo.
Where do they want us to go?
Literally, bafika benza loo nto pha.
Yo, this is our papa. Yo,
Sana,
so Pamela,
if the Zulu people had to come and help me, like, masijwayela kabi.
yeah. Yo, lakhiswa kungizwe, yabazi ngizwe mchunu.
Yes.
He's spearheading the whole thing.
Yes.
I
As
know.
you should, because bafuna ukwenza le benza Parklands take over, but they're the kings
Yeah.
of East London.
Yeah.
East London said no. Xhosa people said no. We're not doing that. Zulu people had to come and say, hey man, Xhosa people and Zulu people came together. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all because
It's
of
nice
that.
to see when it's time to unite, we unite. We should always unite.
Exactly. Please.
You know,
Yes,
Mara,
yes.
it was a great example.
It was. It really was. Considering that the fact that Xhosas and Zulus don't have.
Ngizwe uyabuzwa, so
Great
Mangizwe, what
history.
do you want to see happening? They must fuck off. And
Mabahambe.
Ubuzwa i-journalist yaka-SABC. How can you give uZingizwe a mic, bro? Uchannel ebukelwa ngabantwana. Now the nigga has to apologize. Apologies for the language.
He does.
Ngizwe mchunu. Bro,
They
that
must
guy
forget it.
speaks his mind.
I was about to say, yabona we freedom of speech, and he doesn't care. Literally, ningambize court and lapho. Literally,
Yeah.
literally, I'm not going there. I said what I said.
Mababona babazothini.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, we are heading to 1K subs, guys. It's not a joke. We need them.
Yes.
It's something that will help us grow the team. It's something very important to us. Obviously, those who are showing love, Realebuwa, we thank you.
Shout out to
Siyabonga.
y'all.
Shout out to y'all. The Cool People podcast is going to be live each and every single Wednesday. We'll try our best to be consistent. We have to. Because we
Please.
already saw in Dokbala, there's no turning back.
Yeah.
Siyathandwa.
Your support keeps
Sizapusha.
us
Yeah,
consistent, guys. Like the more we see Banya standard, the more you'll see our faces, the more you'll see us every single week, because we cannot go a week without seeing each other. You understand? So please, guys, push. Have you listened to Ikolwa?
Not yet. Do you want to tell me about it? I've been bumping.
I've been
I've
seeing
been
it.
bumping.
What?
Sizawuthetha ngayo kodwa
Okay.
Bully Kanye West album.
Okay. Ikolwa, basically, I've been seeing it on TikTok. It's a trend. It's this like Xhosa. I like it's like trap. But like
Oh,
Xhosa,
okay,
yes.
okay.
Like Xhosa people are really getting into it because the beat is fire. Also, it's like young as well. So I think it's really cool. Like they see people making music for TikTok. I don't think it's that this time. I think it's just like fun. It's like free. It's just
Okay.
like just expression as well. Like TikTok is fun. Yeah,
Is it a gospel song?
no.
Okay.
No. It's definitely not a gospel song. Definitely not. It's trap,
Nanza
like rap.
Gedi.
Yeah, check it out. Now check it out, please.
Yeah, I've been bumping Kanye West. Bully idropile iGoat yam.
He was live this morning.
He's live
He was
on
Instagram performing somewhere. Where was he performing? I can't recall really where he was performing, but I saw that and I was like, oh, he's back.
He didn't
Yeah.
even announce. I don't think I remember seeing apho announce khona bazodrop album. Ndivena ayibona ba hayibo lo mntu sedropile lo. It's out in all digital platforms. Kanye West Bully album. And
Yes.
yazi ke ngoku into yokubana uyifumane idea ku
To
I know
naming it.
bazothi ndiya reach.
What?
Ola Capra dropped to Mr. Bully. Is it Mr.
So
Bully?
Batsumba will be the concept.
I mean, it's possible. Kanye West, I remember he had a thing. Casper had a thing against him.
Yeah.
Floating stage.
Okay.
During the fill up, the days.
Yeah.
Casper had a floating stage. And then couple of months later, Kanye West now is performing on a floating stage. Do you think it's a coincidence?
Nangoku La Cabra drops Mr. Bully. Shortly after Kanye West, Bully naye.
I don't
La
think
Cabra nkabi yami wena ibhuli esiyaziyo thina asingeni lezi zasemelika thina ibhuli sazi wena. Do you think it's a coincidence, no? I mean, it's hip hop.
No.
They are watching. Casper is a hip hop artist. La Cabra is
Yes.
a hip hop artist. Kanye is also a hip hop artist. Yes, he's big. We may think Guti he doesn't need to steal ideas and
No,
everything.
guys.
Mara, do you think it's a coincidence? This thing will keep happening, by the way.
I think we're
American
reaching.
artists taking our ideas and then we keep quiet.
I think
Or
we're
we don't even
reaching.
speak about them.
I think we're reaching.
Ne?
a bit.
Marina ya floating stage ya Casper.
We're
Le floating
reaching.
stage ka Casper.
We're reaching.
Kanye
We're
West
reaching.
uzathethi nyana.
What do you think about the album? Qala.
Beautiful.
Ne?
Beautiful.
Someone said they feel like Utate tracks was Dibanisa. It's things that didn't make it to like the main albums. It feels
is grapsy.
not these grapes. They feel like Kubane, when you make music and you don't release it. That people were saying that like they feel like it's that it's not complete. It's not a complete or put together body of work. It doesn't come together well. Knowing Kanye, it probably is his style because that man is just
Yeah, I mean it's he came a long way from college dropout. He has grown a lot.
Yes.
I mean, he got married and then divorced. He has a kid now. So I think maybe he tried in Yokbana azame ufaka, wonke umuntu esihlangwini zakhe. Ngoku he's at a point where he's done it a lot, so he doesn't give a fuck anymore.
But he never did.
He's bullying the industries.
So
He doesn't care about any PR stuff.
He's never cared.
Nice. Yeah?
What? Kanye's never cared. Kanye does what he wants when he wants. Like, he doesn't care who's going to say what. Gomye and who doesn't care about the consequences because he has the money. If we're taking me to court, if I lose, it's fine. I'll pay for it. He's that type of person. He doesn't care. He does what he wants, man, that guy.
No, I enjoy it. Obviously, I'm still going through Inansika. Some of the songs. Yeah, obviously.
How many songs are there? Do you know?
Oh, I can quickly check.
18 songs.
18 songs.
That is... okay, you see now, 18 songs is a lot. So I kind of get where that person's like, feels like, uvele wafaka nje izinto zangazi release and just like put it there. Do you think that's important, like for an artist to have like backup music?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, because okanye ngabantu abafuneke like as much as bebakhulu bengaka, they also have to, not spend a lot of time being a release, because they are bona baphezulu. There are a lot of people who are aiming at their crown. There are many under
So about retiring.
So abazu relaxa. No, they can, mara, like abazu relax as long as they say active. If the artist is active, they have to constantly, drop. Bangahlali ixesha elide bengadrop. Yabo. I'm worried about my go-to Drake now. Little tuba.
Good and we haven't heard after the beef.
After the beef.
I think maybe what if he's staying quiet because he's working on something, be like, this is my comeback. You know what I mean?
Let's hope so. Abamazi, please check on him.
No, I think he's good. I think he's just mastering his craft.
Yeah.
I think he's definitely cooking something. He's definitely in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Let him cook. Let him cook.
We always have to fight to stay up. So I hope he will come back and fight so that he can stay up. Speaking of up, inyukile petrol. Abaduri Uber uparishela umuntu ngoku kufuneka ngoku minus kule ubuzomlobola ngayo ngoku umbonisa uthi mami sheba heki 500 so that you can come and see me. Chopper pa.
No.
Galamini announce ngayithiwa yenyuka the following day. Imoto bezigcwele egarage.
Yes, and people were also struggling to get diesel and stuff because it's not available. It's not a matter of like you pay little, it's just the fact that it's not even running. It's not even the fact that it's running low. It's the fact that when this whole war thing is over, that's where it's gonna be most expensive. So it's like a matter of, should I keep this product now? Should I sell it now? Go get the price is like reachable,
sure.
Or I should like take it to. I should wait until it's going to be more expensive. Because remember, it's a business.
Yeah.
And also, people have cars. They need to move. Abana choice. Buy
Yeah,
petrol,
choice.
30 rand. Uzayithenga.
I want your take on this. Australia, because of this whole war thing, is considering ubuyisa la mithetho ye lockdown. but companies should consider allowing people to work at home to avoid less traveling. People must fill up a certain like liters ezithile. Ungagoyi crazy kuba unemali.
Who is Australia to say that? Bangobani, why funeka sidecide Australia kuba bani?
No, ibona is a country.
Benzima they wanna
no, not everyone.
Basingadisayidelwa ngabo please kudala sacindezelwa ngabelungu bethuna. Please, thank you. Do I think it's a good idea?
Is it something that we might consider doing up in Mzansi?
Not in SA. I don't think so. Our economy is. I don't think it will survive.
No. Let me take your lockdown.
No. It will suffer. Like it's already suffering now. Like we're in debt as a country. Yes, it would be nice to chill at home and stuff like that. But like, guys, we need to get our economy up. We need to. Australia can't do that because is it not a first world country or something? We're not. We can't compare ourselves to Australia and stuff like that. I think personally, I wouldn't mind it, but I don't think it's good for the economy. Yeah.
And they are well off, nyani.
Yeah, they are well off. They're definitely well off.
Hayi mara thina siyayenza iplan ngafuneka simuvile sothenga utywala.
Hey Sada, people made plans.
Petrol, no petrol.
Dude, no, I don't think our economy is going to survive it though. Absolutely not. Nah, Australia, keep your plans to yourself. Don't influence other people. If they can afford it, absolutely. But as for me and my household, it's a no. It's definitely a no.
No.
Yeah.
Is there any series maybe you want to plug people with? Because that's also cool.
Series. What am I watching? Bridgerton, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, it's cute.
As a local in there.
Yes, old English people. What's up, mate?
World Cup, my God.
No, guys, Bridgerton is a good. There's a lot of people in the comment section who are gonna agree with me. Yes, because who doesn't want to be prim and proper?
Season bango.
We're on season 3 now. The Cinderella story. It's cute, Shem. It's really cute. Season 4 is coming up, and they're gonna make that like the lead actually of season 4 is gonna be someone from SA. Yes, yes. I just forgot her name. Sorry, but she's cousins with Francesca's late husband in the show. For those who watch the show, yes, she's gonna be the lead of season 4 because they're doing like a gay don, if I'm not mistaken, a lesbian couple, something like that. Someone about Netflix. Yes.
No,
when we win World Cup.
That's dope. Anzayilinda ngomonde.
Ingo June.
Futhi ngo June 11 ka June kick off. Bafana
Bethuna.
segroup in A1 neMexico.
Ladies, abantu bena bazonihoya. Ball away.
Bahleli bangathenga izikipa nje.
So if andithenga ngasikipa andizohoya ngenxa yeWorld Cup.
Bahleli ngathenga izikipa nifuna ntoni lebatlanga.
So basically, World Cup season, women are single. That's what he's saying, especially if you haven't bought.
Nizawukhalela into okwenza.
Skip. I got it. That's not fair. Just imagine, sithi thina xa kuphume Bridgerton nezinto sizibukelayo ne-YouTube channels or whatever, okanye housewives, sithi thina si single.
Okay.
How would you feel?
Aye. But it's nice to enjoy into ezifanayo nomuntu wakho.
Yeah, it is.
But Bridgerton, come on, bro. It's too much.
You can, definitely. But anyways, guys, please.
If you have a chance, nibuke Cool People podcast nani.
Any chance you get. Watch the show, please, guys. We again, like I said before, we want to see you guys every single week, and we can only do that with your support. It's been great. If you made it this far of the podcast, shout out to you, man. Cool, many cool people, gold star. Yeah, but that's it from me, Uyonga Maka. And from my co-host, my co-pilot,
yes,
my brother.
Siyabonga buhlele ingqele lakho lenqokonqoko
go.
Go to the Prince K, Udedwe Zaza,
the one and only.
Sibonge. Thank you.
Love you all down.
Yeah.
Betuna, next time the fan standard, but yeah, she's on live. Bet yay.